friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. I bought a new camera. It's right there. Is it the exact same one as my old one? Yeah, it is, because I tried to get a lesser one, a cheaper one. I was like, you know, I don't need all the frills and whistles and bells and such. I needed it. I tried to get a cheaper one. It felt like a toy. I have the if anyone's interested, I have the Canon SX740HS. It's just the best that I have experienced. So anyway, I have a new camera, I have a new tripod. However, the tripod is not as tall as my other one, so I might even have to get another tripod, but this will do for now. Hopefully we'll see on the try on portion. Anyway, today we have a Natalie Attired bag. Controversial because Natalie Attired is actually going out of business. So I don't know if you're able to sign up if you're new or not, but they are doing, I don't know if you'd want to, but I was like, I'm gonna get a final bag with them. They're doing what's called the Unlimited collection. And I think it's just them trying to get, you know, get rid of their product basically. So you pay $49 for the Unlimited collection and you just keep everything that's in it. There's no like sending it back or anything. It's kind of like a mystery bag. So that's what I decided to do. So let's see what's in there. Also, I don't remember how many items are in the bag because I feel like I got this a while ago. I actually, crinkle, I actually got this bag the same day that I filmed my last Stitch Fix video where my camera broke. So I was gonna film it that day too. I am so blown out with this color and everything and my pumpkin. Anyway, real time. So I don't remember much about the bag, to be honest, but let's see what's inside. Also, I'm not wearing my signature R necklace because that broke as well. I'm having a great fall, everyone. So I'm in the market for a new R necklace. I think my last one I got was on Etsy, so I'll probably look there too. All right, first thing we are pulling out of the bag is by Jag Isabel Poncho Tee. Okay, it is a poncho. It is a tee, so it's nice that the slit is actually, you know, where a t-shirt would be and not like a poncho where sometimes the slit goes up. So it is a very wide baggy tee. Nice for those days where you want a baggy tee. And I'm just gonna keep it because that's the only option. All right, let's see. I don't need, like, let's see. Is there an invoice? Okay, they only sent me 2 things. See, I don't remember. It's gonna be a fast try on, fast video. Here it is, the second item. Okay, here's what I thought. I thought that they sent you like 4 items, but it doesn't really say. Maybe it said like 2 to 4 items. I don't know. The next thing is the G. Riley jacket. All right. It is black. It's actually kind of nice. It's like a sweatshirt, but yeah, I mean, it's a zip-up sweatshirt, right? They call it a jacket, but it's a zip-up sweatshirt. It has kind of like scrunchy, frilly pockets there. It's long, it has a hood. I guess it's kind of, it's a different material on the inside of the hood, but it's kind of cute actually. All right, why don't we just do the prices now because there's not gonna be really a recap because I'm keeping both things. So those 2 things for $49, that's probably a pretty good deal. They value the Isabel Poncho Tee at $54. And the G. Riley jacket at $99. Okay. Oh, it says $39. I thought it was $49 for some reason. I think on their site it said $49. It says, we have enjoyed styling you. This $39 Unlimited collection includes a selection valued at $150 or more. All sales are final. Thanks for allowing us to keep you in fashion. That's kind of a good deal because, well, we'll try them on, but if I paid $39, that's kind of cool. All right, well, let's try those 2 items on. See, my tripod is just not tall enough for my liking. Okay, here's the shirt, the poncho. I would not have kept this had it been in a regular box. That's all there is to it. But, I mean, okay, so it has an asymmetrical hemline. Let me move the camera down a little bit. Hi, hair. What are you doing? What are you doing there? All right. Bring the necklace out. It has an asymmetrical hemline. This is a poncho. Let's see. Since it's mine and I'm keeping it, I can do whatever I want with it, such as tying it in a knot and stretching the material. How about that? That's probably how I would wear it. With some leggings, probably. Here's the back, if you can see down that collar. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I would probably wear this with some leggings. That's not bad. It's not bad styled like that. Okay. It's okay, yeah. It's comfy because it's a poncho. I like it with the knot. That's good. I would never in my life pay $54 for this shirt, but it's the unlimited collection. And let's try it on with the jacket. I'm telling you, it's gonna be a short video, folks. Ladies, gentlemen, whoever's watching. Mom. Hi, Mom. All right. I actually really like it. The sleeve length is nice. It's like a light jacket sweatshirt, basically. It has the double zipper. Real time. There we go. I'll zip it up. Maybe if the zipper doesn't get stuck. Well, that's where it's going. Okay. So here's the length with it zipped. Do I feel like I'm in the Matrix? Yeah, maybe a little bit. But I actually like the length. I think it's nice. It has a hood. It's very lightweight. Let's put the hood up. We'll move the camera up. Hi, real time. It's a giant hood. Okay. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in like a horror movie of sorts. If it's raining, that's a nice giant hood. I like how billowy the hood is. I feel like I'm like a witch or something. Okay, there's the two items, folks. Let me sit back down. I just want you to know that I did get it zipped up all the way. So, it works. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Okay, folks, so that was the Unlimited Collection by Natalie Attired. If you've signed up for Natalie Attired, I think you can still get them. I don't know if they're letting new people sign up or not, but you can check it out for $39. That shirt really grew on me, and that jacket, I did start to panic sweat in because the zipper did stop halfway. There goes my chair. I'm just panic sweating. So I did get it unzipped though. I think I just needed a little oomph. So I actually like both those items for that $39. I might do another one if there's still time. It's a good chance. It's a good gamble. And you know what? If you don't like something, you can always gift it or donate it or sell it on Poshmark or something. So I think I'm gonna get another one. Because I really liked Natalie Attired. I'm sad that they're going out of business. So yeah. Anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll give you guys a thumbs up. And I will see you next time.